Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by holding the cube steady and scanning the front, right, back, and top faces quickly, so you see candidates for pairing. Once you spot a white corner and its matching edge, plan a short, 1-3-move insertion before moving on. Make sure to pick 1 or 2 simple pairs to lock in early, because those saves reduce rotations later. You will begin solving right away, and this proactive scan sets up smoother recognition for the rest of the solve. Once you have the first pairs inserted, shift to building pairs while minimizing cube rotations. Use slice moves and U-turns to bring pieces together. Predict the next pair while your hands finish the current insertion, so your eyes lead your fingers. This is how look-ahead works. Make sure to rely on 3 comfortable pairing sequences you know well, because consistent muscle memory reduces pauses. Keep transitions tight and intentional. You'll notice you finish by inserting the last pairs in sequence and aligning the last edges so you can move to OLL and PLL efficiently. If you get stuck recognizing a pair, take 1 short beat to reorient the cube, rescan the 4 faces, and rebuild your plan. This prevents bad setups. Make sure to practice targeted drills. 10 F2l only solves, timing just that step. Over time, your recognition and look-ahead will improve. Stick to focused repetition to solidify speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.